Exercise 12.3, question number 14. Here, there are two minor sectors. Outer minor sector radius is 21, inner minor sector radius is 7 centimeter. Okay. The outer radius R is equal to 21 centimeter. Inner radius R is equal to 7 centimeter. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, the area of shaded region, that is equal to area of outer minor sector minus area of inner minor sector. Inner minor sector. Outer minor sector area theta by 360 into capital pi r square minus theta by 360 into pi small r square. Okay. Here theta by 360 and pi is common. Capital R square minus R square means R minus R plus R. Okay. And theta is 30 degree by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 R plus R minus R. 21 minus 7, 21 plus 7. That is equal to 12. 6 2s are 12. 11 2s are 22. That is equal to 11 by 6 into 7 into 14 into 28. Okay. 7 2s are 14. 2 3s are 6. That is equal to 11 into 28 by 3. That is equal to 308 by 3 centimeter square. That is the area of the shaded region. Okay. Write down. Here ABC is a quadrant and BC is the diameter of the semicircle. ABC is a quadrant of radius 14 centimeter and BC is the diameter of the semicircle. Find the area of the shaded region. There are three shapes for quadrant, for semicircle and for a minor segment. A minor segment होगा. Okay, for triangle. साथ में for triangle लिखेंगे. For quadrant, radius is R is equal to 14 centimeter. Theta is equal to 90 degree. In a semicircle, यहाँ पे हमारा BC diameter है. BC is equal to diameter. वो अभी लेंथ हमने फाइंड नहीं की है. तो रेडियस भी उससे उसके ऊपर से मिल जाएगी हमें. चलो, for triangle, base is equal to 14 centimeter. That is a right angle triangle. Height is also a 14 centimeter. So first we find the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. AB square is 14 square. AC square is equal to 14 square. That is 196 plus 196. That is 2 times 196. Therefore, BC square is equal to 14 square root 2 whole square. Therefore, BC is equal to 14 root 2 centimeter. Okay. And BC is the diameter of the semicircle. That is equal to diameter is 14 square root 2 centimeter. Therefore, radius is half of the diameter. That is 7 root 2. That is 7 upon root 2. 14 by 2, that is 7. 7 upon root 2. Okay. First we find the portion area of quadrant minus area of triangle. That we find the portion of arc BC and diameter BC. आर्क BC, सबसे पहले हम आर्क BC और डायमीटर BC का इतना एरिया फाइंड करेंगे. उसके बाद हम सेमी सर्कल में से इतना एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. ओके. चलो, हाउ टू फाइंड. area of minor segment, that is the area of minor segment. Okay, arc BPC, arc BPC and chord BC, area of minor segment, it is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle, area of triangle. चलो एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट क्या है, पाई आर स्क्वायर बाय 4 माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, दैट इज ए राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट. ओके, पाई आर स्क्वायर 22/7, रेडियस is equal to quadrant radius is 14 centimeter into 14 divided by 4 minus 1/2 base into height 14 into 14, 7 4 जा 28, तो ये 14 कट 2 11 जा 2 11 जा, therefore 11 into 14, 11 into 14 is equal to 154 minus 98, that is equal to 56 centimeter square. Okay, 56 centimeter square, that is the area of the minor segment in arc BPC and chord BC. Okay, उसका एरिया फाइंड हो गया. Therefore area of shaded region, area of shaded region, that is equal to area of a semicircle minus area of quadrant, area of minor segment, area of minor segment. Okay, एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल पाई आर स्क्वायर, इसमें रेडियस हम कैपिटल आर लेंगे. ओके, क्योंकि दोनों में कुछ डिफरेंस होना चाहिए. पाई आर स्क्वायर बाय 2 माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट, दैट इज इक्वल टू 56. ओके, वी हैव ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट 22/7. आर स्क्वायर, हमें आर स्क्वायर की वैल्यू चाहिए 7√2 होल स्क्वायर, 7√2 होल स्क्वायर divided by 2 minus 56. 22/7, 7 square, 7 into 7, √2 square, that is 2, divided by 2 minus 56, 7 7 cut, 2 2 cut, that is equal to 154 minus 56, that is equal to 98 centimeters square, that is the area of the shaded region. Okay, here the square of the side is 8 centimeter. Square of the side is 8 centimeter. There are two shapes, for square and for minor sector. For minor sector. For square, side is equal to 8 centimeter. Minor sector, side is, radius is 8 centimeter and theta is equal to 90 degrees. Find the area of the shaded region. Area of a shaded region, that is equal to 2 multiply area of minor sector minus area of a square. Okay, 2 multiply area of minor sector theta by 360 into pi r square minus side square. Okay, minus side square. 290 360, pi is equal to 22/7, r is equal to 8 into 8 minus side square 8 square. Okay, so 90 4 जा 360, 2 2 जा 4, 2 11 जा 11 into 64 divided by 7 minus 6 square is 64. Okay, here 64 is 11 into 64 704, 64 7 जा 4 7 जा 28 2 448 divided by 7. 14 minus 8, 6, or 69 minus 256 by 7 centimeters square. That is the area of the shaded region. Okay. Example number 4. Here ABCD is a square lawn and arc CD and chord CD. Make an angle flower way. Make a region of the flower way. Similarly, AB and CD both are equal area of the flower bed. And ABCD is a square lawn. Find the sum of the area of a lawn and the flower bed. Total area कितना है वो find करना है. Here for square and for minor sector. ABCD is a square and diagonal intersect at a right angle. Okay, ABCD is a square, diagonal intersect at a right angle and each angle is 90 degree. For square, side is 56 meter. For minor sector की पहले radius find करनी पड़ेगी. OD, OC, OA and OB are radius. And the property of the square, diagonal bisect each other at a right angle. Okay. So in triangle AOB, angle O is 90 degree. OA square plus OB square. OA square plus, otherwise in triangle ABC लेते हैं. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. That angle is 90 degree. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay. AB square, that is a 56 square. BC square is also a 56 square. That is equal to AC square. AC. Okay. In triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So AC square is equal to 2 times 56 square. Okay. AC square is equal to 56 root 2 whole square. Therefore, AC is the diameter of the minor sector, that is equal to 56 root 2 meter. Diameter is 56 root 2 meter. Radius 28 root 2 meter. Therefore, OA and OB are the radius of the minor sector. Okay. And angle is 90 degree. Therefore, area of a shaded region. Area of a shaded region. Area of the region. Area of a region. That is equal to दोनों का area find करना है. 2 area of square plus area 2 multiply area of minor segment. Minor segment. 2 multiply area of minor segment. Area of square is side square plus 2 multiply area of minor segment. That is 2 into theta by 360 into pi r square minus r square sin theta by 2. 1/2 r square sin theta. 1/2 r square sin theta. 1/2 r square sin theta. Because angle theta is equal to 90. इसमें थीटा क्या होगा 90 डिग्री का होगा. Okay, because diagonal intersect at a right angle. Side square. What is the side square? 56 square. 2 as it is 90 by 360 into pi r square. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 r square. Diameter radius is 28 root 2 square. Okay. Minus 1/2 r square 28 root 2 square into sin 90 degree. ओके, साइन 90 की वैल्यू 1, 56 स्क्वायर 3036 3136, 56 स्क्वायर इज 3136 प्लस 2, 94 जा 2 2 जा means 11 upon 2 into 7, 28 into 28 into 2 minus 1 half, 28 into 28 into root 2 square is 2 and sin 90 value is 1. 2 2 cut, here 2 2 cut, 7 4 ja 28, 28 4 ja 1 1, 1 2 1 1 2 and 1 1 2 multiply 11, that is 1 2 3 2 minus 784, okay, 3136 plus 2 multiply 12 minus 4 8, 12 minus 4, 12 minus 8 4 or 11 minus 7, that is equal to 4. So 3136 plus 96, 896, and that is equal to 6 plus 6 to 12, 4 plus 9 13, 1 4032 meters square. That is the area of the total region. Here, example number 6. Find the area of the shaded region. ABCD is a square whose side is 10 centimeter and the semicircle are drawn with the each side as shown is a square in a diameter. 10 centimeter is the side, each side of a square is 10 centimeter, okay, and which is a diameter of the semicircle, 4 square and 4 semicircle. यहाँ पे दो शेप है, 4 square and 4 semicircle. 4 square side is equal to 10 centimeter. For semicircle, that is a diameter of the semicircle, that is 10 centimeter. Radius is equal to half, that is a 5 centimeter. Okay, how to find the area of shaded region? Area of shaded region, that is equal to 4 multiply area of semicircle. कितनी बार हमने semicircle ड्रॉ किया? 4 टाइम. उसमें इतना एरिया 2 बार आया था शेडेड रीजन का एरिया, तो पूरा स्क्वायर कवर हो गया था. उसमें से स्क्वायर का एरिया क्या करेंगे? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 4 मल्टीप्लाई एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. 4 मल्टीप्लाई एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल, पाई आर स्क्वायर बाय 2 माइनस एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज साइड स्क्वायर, दैट इज 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई की वैल्यू 22/7, r is equal to 5 into 5 minus side square is 10 centimeter square. What is the value of pi? Pi is given or not? Yes, pi is equal to 3.14 is already given in the question. 3.14, 314 by 100. 5 5 ja 25, 25 2 ja 50, 50 314 into 50 by 100 minus 10 square 100. Okay, 50 2 is 100, 157 2 is 157 minus 100, that is equal to 57 centimeter square. That is the area of a shaded region. Okay.